Okay, so we're going to start off with your your middle finger on the 5th fret C string, and your ring finger on the E string 5th fret, and we're going to assign your thumb to the C string and your pointer to the E string. We're also going to have your thumb be 1 and your pointer be 2. So the pick pattern would be holding on the 5th fret the C and E string, and it go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then let go with your left hand and play the C and E string together, open. And then you're going to play it again and hammer with your left hand on the 1st fret E string and the C string 2nd fret. So open, hammer. So from the beginning, it should go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, open, hammer. Then 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Then when you get to this 2 that's coming up, you're going to pull off with your pointer finger on your left hand. And with the next 2, you're going to have an open C string. Again from the beginning, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, open, hammer, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, pull off, 1. And then from that point, you're going to go back to the beginning where your middle finger is on the 5th fret C string, ring finger on the E string 5th fret, and do the same pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, open, hammer. You're going to let that ring, and then put your ring finger on the 3rd fret E string and pluck it and pull it off twice. So from the beginning, it should go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, open, hammer, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, pull off, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, open, hammer, let that note ring, then pull off, pull off. And that's pretty much the intro of the song. And then it goes into the chords, which are F is your pointer finger on the E string 1st fret and your middle finger on the G string 2nd fret. Then you go to C, which is just the A string 3rd fret. And then a D minor, which is the same chord shape as your F, except you're going to add your ring finger in on the C string 2nd fret. And so for the strum pattern for it, it is down, down, up, chunk up, down, down, up, then switch to a C for one note, then to a D minor for the same strum pattern, down, down, up, chunk up, down, down, up. So it should sound like. That strum pattern 4 times for the chorus part. Then you're gonna go your ring finger on the 8th fret E string. You're gonna pluck that note by itself, and then you're gonna slide it. So after you pluck it, you're gonna slide it down to the 5th fret and add your pointer finger to the C string 2nd fret and pluck both of those together. So it's like you're gonna go with your thumb being still on the C string. You're gonna go thumb, 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 thumb. Then you're gonna let go of your pointer finger on the C string and play an open string, and then put it back on the 2nd string or 2nd fret. So one more time from the 8th fret. you're going to pluck with your fingers in the same position. You're going to pluck your C and E string, and then after you pluck it, you're going to slide your ring finger to the 3rd fret and let your pointer finger off, and pluck your 3rd fret E string and the open C string. So from the beginning of that little phrase, it's going to be from your 8th fret. Go back to your thumb, 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 then pluck this again, and slide back to your 5th fret with your ring finger on the E string, and put your pointer finger back on the 2nd fret. So from the beginning, it's you're going to pluck your C string, then you're going to pluck both of these strings together and slide up 2 frets to your pointer fingers on the 4th fret and your ring fingers on the 7th fret. So, and pluck that. And then you're going to slide up 1 fret after that. So you're going to slide 2 frets, then 1 fret, with your fingers still in the same shape. So from 2 and 5 to 4 and 7 to 5 and 8. Then from there, we're going to play, I don't know if it's an inverted F or not, it's a different version of F. It's your pointer finger on the 3rd fret, A string, and then you're going to bar the top 3 strings on the 5th fret. It's the same strum pattern as a chorus. So that's going to take place of your first F, so you're going to go from here. So you're down, down, up, chunk up, down, down, up, then to C, then to D. Then you go back to your regular F. Then it has a little quiet part where you kind of do another section of the intro with your middle finger on the 5th fret, ring finger on the 5th fret, C and E string. But you only do that one time, then you go back into your chord or your chords.